Yeah, so every disease indication has multiple RNA drug targets that are underexploited. Right now, in clinical use, there's only 4 RNA species that are targeted by small molecules. And these 4 targets alone command a market of $113 billion, and they are first-line therapeutics for dozens of different disease indications. So you can just imagine how many unmet treatment needs that you could address if you could target any RNA you wanted. Azor Biotech accomplishes this by targeting the spliceosome, which has clinical precedent, as well as microRNA, the topic of this year's Nobel Prize in Medicine. In fact, we incorporate all 3 of this year's Nobel Prize-winning sciences. For those who aren't familiar with microRNA, these are regulatory inhibitory molecules that silence gene products, but unlike other inhibitory RNA, instead of silencing one, they silence legions. For instance, our microRNA 29 targeting multimodal tumor inhibitor targets 207 oncogenes simultaneously. So if RNA are such great drug targets, why are there only 4? The drug development pipelines that have worked in the past for protein are completely incompatible, from the screening methods to the computational methods. It's such that, most AIs out there, they train with target engagement, the energy of the molecule binding its drug target. And this is insufficient for RNA because target engagement does not translate to bioactivity for RNA in clinic. So Azor instead uses kinetic data for our training data. And we can, for any given disease indication, we can try to find a safe and effective RNA target. We use our AI-guided systems to curate a library that we then further refine with our optimized virtual screen. We've also developed some innovative early-stage evaluation techniques that are designed for RNA, but applicable fairly widely. And these can be catered to a disease of interest. We are cash positive. To date, it's been pretty stratified. Most of the incoming money has been more from the benchtop science stuff that we've been doing, and that's not going to expand that much. We don't aim to be disruptive to the global market. But on the other hand, the computer-assisted drug discovery side of things, it's largely automated. It's not financially or physically limited, and we could conceivably expand that market 100-fold if we had a more aggressive marketing campaign. And we presently found some ideal customers that bridge this gap from discovery to development. And one of them, newfreedom.life, bring with them clinical expertise, which is perfect because the real money is in the molecules.